ChatGPT for YouTube creators. In a world where content is king, YouTube remains one of the most powerful platforms for creators. And now, with the help of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, producing high-quality content has become faster, easier, and more efficient than ever. But there's one truth many people still overlook. ChatGPT is only as powerful as the prompt you give it. If you don't know how to ask, it can't give you what you want. This audiobook will show you how to use ChatGPT step by step to help you generate everything from video scripts to titles, descriptions, tags, and even thumbnails. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide is written for you. Let's begin with the most common task, writing a YouTube video script. Before you ask ChatGPT to write a script, take a moment to think about the task. What kind of video are you making? Is it a tutorial, a motivational video, a review, or a story? Knowing the goal of your video helps shape your prompt. For example, if you want to create a motivational video about discipline, don't just say, write a script about discipline. Instead say, act as a motivational speaker. Write a short, emotionally powerful YouTube script that inspires viewers to stay disciplined when they feel like quitting. This kind of prompt works well because you've told the AI what role to play, the tone you want, the format of the output, and the purpose of the message. That level of detail turns a basic script into a focused, engaging experience. Next, let's talk about titles. A great title is essential for views. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm many strong options quickly, but it depends on how you prompt it. Instead of saying, give me titles, you can say, generate 5 clickable YouTube titles for a video that helps beginners stay consistent with discipline. Make them curiosity-driven and optimized for search. This approach is effective because you're asking for a specific number, a clear emotional style, and a goal. Curiosity-driven titles make people want to click. Search-optimized titles include keywords people are already looking for. This is how ChatGPT becomes a helpful brainstorming partner, not just a title generator. Let's move on to descriptions. This is where many beginners struggle. A video description needs to summarize your video clearly, include useful keywords, and sometimes offer timestamps or a call to action. To get the best result from ChatGPT, try something like this. Act as a YouTube content strategist. Write a short video description for a motivational video titled Discipline When No One Is Watching. Make it keyword-rich, beginner-friendly, and end with a call to action to subscribe. This prompt gives ChatGPT a clear role, a topic, a goal, and style instructions. The result will likely include a summary, natural keyword usage, and a strong ending to engage viewers. This works especially well because you're asking for clarity, structure, and action, all things that help videos perform better. Now let's talk about one of the most overlooked but important areas, brainstorming content ideas. Many creators hit a wall because they don't know what videos to make next. ChatGPT can fix that, but again, only with the right input. Say you run a fitness channel and you're out of ideas. You can prompt, create a list of 10 unique video ideas for a fitness channel targeting beginners. Focus on daily habits, mindset, and staying motivated. This works well because it narrows down the audience, the theme, and the kind of content you're looking for. ChatGPT will now brainstorm with precision. You can even follow up with, pick idea number 3 and write a short outline for the video, and it will break it down into points for your script. One of the most time-saving uses of ChatGPT is batch planning. That means planning your entire month of content in one go. For example, prompt it like this. Generate a 4-week content calendar for a personal development YouTube channel. Include 1 video idea per week with a suggested title and the main goal of the video. This saves hours of brainstorming. The prompt is effective because you've asked for a structure and a clear time frame, and you've told it your niche. That's what turns ChatGPT into your personal content strategist. Thumbnails are another big part of YouTube's success. And yes, you can even generate thumbnail ideas or concepts using ChatGPT. Now that ChatGPT has image generation capabilities, you can write a visual prompt like this. Generate a thumbnail idea for a video titled Discipline When No One Is Watching. The design should include a person sitting alone in a dark room with a single light shining on a notebook. Add bold text saying no one's watching. Make it visually dramatic and emotionally powerful. This kind of visual prompt gives ChatGPT image tools the information they need to generate a thumbnail that matches the message of your video. You're including the subject, the mood, the text, and the focus of the shot. That level of clarity is what turns your ideas into strong visual assets. Now let's zoom out a bit and talk about a simple prompt structure that works across all content types. It goes like this. Start by giving ChatGPT a role, like act as a YouTube strategist. Then state the task, such as write a script or generate 5 titles. Next, provide the content or context. For example, the video is about how to stay disciplined when working from home. Then add tone or emotion you want in the output, like make it motivational and beginner-friendly. Finally, add any format details, such as write it as a list with an opening hook and a strong call to action. This structure gives ChatGPT everything it needs to deliver high-quality output. Without it, you'll get vague or average results. With it, you get usable, powerful, and often surprising responses. Another thing that really helps beginners is learning how to revise. Your first prompt might not get you what you want, but that doesn't mean ChatGPT failed. It means you need to guide it better. Let's say you ask for a script and it's too robotic. Just follow up with, make it sound more human, like a personal story, and keep the tone warm and honest. Or add a powerful closing message that motivates the viewer. You can shape the result until it feels right. That's the magic of working with AI. It's collaborative. Finally, if you're serious about using ChatGPT long-term, start saving your favorite prompts. Make a list of prompts that consistently work for you, for titles, scripts, descriptions, ideas, and thumbnails. This becomes your personal prompt library. It saves you time, helps you stay consistent, and turns you into a system builder, not just a content creator. So here's the big idea. ChatGPT is not just a tool for writers or marketers. It's a full creative partner for YouTubers. But it's only as good as your instructions. If you want to unlock its full power, you need to learn how to prompt it with clarity, intention, and detail. Whether you're creating your first video or growing a full channel, these methods can turn ChatGPT into your most valuable teammate. And remember, it's not about making AI do all the work. It's about using AI to free your mind from the busy work so you can focus on creativity, connection, and building a channel that truly reflects your voice.